meeting is being recorded.
Good afternoon. This is Shyam this side once again, and we had a wonderful financial consultation with Mr. Amit recently. Since last more than 1.5 or 2 hours, we are together and discussing in very detail about the financial planning of Mr. Amit, step by step through the financial pyramid process. So, Mr. Amit, I would like to know from you, like, what are your takeaways and how you like the meeting, how the flow and everything.
Absolutely. Thank you, Sham. I would say it was phenomenal. The way you explained the complete financial pyramid and then walked through each layer of that pyramid, doing a deep dive on various angles, personal, professional, and the personal goals, and how would we achieve that personal goals. What I liked about it is the holistic viewpoint and the clarity that you provide, and looking forward to work with you.
Great, great. Thank you very much. So one thing which you really liked a lot, one biggest takeaway out of the call, which you feel that yes, this was really mind blowing, and I was looking for this particular thing.
It was, I mean, to be very true, I've been in touch with a lot of financial advisors, and but the kind of knowledge that you bring to the table is phenomenal, right? You know what you are doing, what you are getting into, right? Especially the mutual funds selection criteria that we are talking about. It was, I mean, I've hardly seen anyone in the industry talking about it, right, so far. So really, that was the wow factor, I would say.
Great. Thank you very much for your wonderful words, and we will definitely take it forward. I have taken all the inputs from you, and we already fixed another meeting, so we'll definitely get in touch again, and looking forward to serve you in more better way by execution of your financial plan.
Sure.
So
Thank
thank
you.
you very much once again.
Thank you, Sean.